Hello everyone, this is Roy from Click2, and today I'm going to show you everything there is to know about breakout rooms. To access the breakout room tool, click on the Tools button at the top of the screen and click on the breakout icon. Here you will see a list of all of your participants and the amount of breakout rooms that will be created. You can add and remove breakout rooms like so, and can create up to 30 breakout rooms. You can either manually assign the participants by dragging their names onto the breakout room you want them to be in, or you can click on the Auto Assign button up here for the computer to do this automatically. You can click on the Clear Assignment button down here in order to reset the breakout room assignments. By ticking this box, you will set a time limit for your breakout rooms. If this button is not ticked, then the breakout rooms will have no time limit. When participants enter the breakout room, each participant will temporarily become an administrator and have all of the permissions that normally only you would have. This so they can freely use the tools they wish without overly relying on the moderator. When participants click on the Call Instructor button at the top of the screen, the administrator will see this as a notification at the top of their screen and will have the option to join their room. While visiting any of the breakout rooms, you can click on the drop-down menu here in order to move to any of the other ones. Click here in order to return to your position as a breakout manager. In the Manage Breakout menu, you will be given the option to join the different breakout rooms at will. This option allows you to present a file or send a message to all of the breakout rooms simultaneously. However, each room will be able to pause, play, and change the volume on the video individually. Another way to share files with the breakout rooms is by using the Breakout Shared folder. The Breakout Shared folder is automatically available to all of the breakout rooms, so every file I upload here will be available to them. To close the breakout rooms and bring all of your participants back to the main room, click on the End Breakout button at the bottom of the Manage Breakout window. If you want to use breakout rooms again later in the same session, the settings will be saved, so the participants will return to the same breakout room they were in. Thank you for watching this video on breakout rooms. I will see you next time.